Alright guys, I promised you I would post more content. Here's content. I'm going to be filming a lot more stuff. Unfortunately, the truck needs fixed up. It wouldn't pass inspection. I'm fixing it. If you want to continue watching my episodes on how to fix crap and build bikes, subscribe, write a comment. I don't care what it is. Just write a bunch of nonsense in there. Ask me questions. I'm going to try to do a lot more stuff like this because I do it all the time. I just need to film it. And I'm doing it because you guys asked me to. I'm tired. I'm going to call it a night. I do have a full-time job. This is fun. That's more fun. I can probably do a wheelie in that guy. Stay tuned. This truck is going to get fixed soon. Wah! What's up, everyone? I am back again in the garage working on this ugly thing. Just kidding, you're not ugly. Today, I'm going to finish cleaning up the frame. We're going to mark some areas where we're going to cut the frame out, and I will get some plate steel to weld new pieces in. My priority right now is getting this frame fixed up. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be dirty. Oh yeah!
Seriously? Dude, wait, let me zoom in.